Getting a virtualization error in LDPlayer, like it says VT is not enabled or performance is restricted? Yeah, this is one of the biggest issues, but it's fixable. Let's go. First, check if virtualization is already enabled on your system. If it says disabled, that's your problem. Now you'll need to enable it in BIOS. Restart your PC, go into BIOS, and turn on Intel VT-X or AMD-V. After enabling it, save changes and restart. Then launch LDPlayer again. If you still see errors, disable Hyper-V. It can block virtualization for LDPlayer. Also turn off Virtual Machine Platform, uncheck it, and restart your PC. Some systems have virtualization locked. Make sure your CPU actually supports VT. If the option is missing, update your BIOS. This can unlock virtualization settings. After fixing VT, reinstall LDPlayer if needed. This ensures it detects virtualization properly. Finally, confirm it's working. You should now see improved performance. So, enable virtualization in BIOS, disable Hyper-V, and restart properly. That's the full fix for LDPlayer virtualization errors in 2026.